Drama in the Texas Senate after two stunning developments in the Ken Paxton impeachment trial. Thanks so much for joining us tonight at 9. I'm Britt Moreno.
And I'm Daniel Marin. The woman accused of having an affair with Paxton was supposed to testify but didn't. And then one of the big name veteran attorneys made a major mistake. KXAN's Ryan Chandler walks us through it all.
Well, good evening from just outside the Senate chamber, where we witnessed a roller coaster of a day in Ken Paxton's impeachment trial. The prosecution resting their case abruptly and apparently accidentally.
Here's the problem. I messed up and shouldn't have rested until he finished his cross.
And yet you did.
Lead impeachment prosecutor Rusty Hardin said he misspoke when he said the prosecution rests their case, but it seems presiding judge Dan Patrick is making them stick by it.
Well, it's now up to him. You've rested. It's up to him to either recall the witness or to make a motion, or it's now his call.
The defense then motioned for a directed verdict, essentially a move that would allow senators to dismiss all of the charges on the basis that there is insufficient evidence without voting on whether Paxton is innocent or guilty. Senators deliberated on that motion behind closed doors until the defense ultimately decided to pull it. Another key development today, a star witness of the prosecution, Laura Olson, was expected to testify. She's the woman with whom Paxton is accused of having an extramarital affair that lasted multiple years. She's implicated in some of the impeachment articles relating to bribery and abuse of office charges, but we learned late this evening that she is not going to testify in this trial anymore. Senators have now adjourned for the evening, with the prosecution resting their case and the defense with limited time remaining. We expect arguments to wrap up by Thursday or Friday, with a verdict still to come. At the Texas Capitol, I'm Ryan Chandler. Back to you.
Before wrapping for the day, attorneys for the defense called their first witness to the stand, an expert on impeachment from the University of North Carolina.
His testimony is expected to begin tomorrow morning. And you can watch the entire Senate trial every day on our website, KXAN.com. Just check out the Paxton impeachment section.